In this video, we got a radio-controlled digger that you can use in your kitchen. Oh, look at that! And a load of other toys. Guys, today, someone is gonna win this great big Lossy 5T 3.0. This is your last chance. Today, this massive RC truck could be yours. Cat not included. But there is a $2,000 cash alternative, so you can choose the car or the cash. Link down below in the description box, and this could be yours today. I got some new toys. It's a radio-controlled drifting truck, and it also comes with a trailer, so, oh dear, that's gonna drift. In this box, I got a bigger truck. We got this truck here that comes with a digger, and then I got another digger here, which is quite heavy, so it might be pretty decent, and this thing. So we'll have a look at all of that in this video, but first, let's have a look at the drift truck. Apparently, it's officially licensed by Scania, even though it is a Banggood special. Look underneath here, look, we can see it's got drift tyres on there. And in the box, it also comes with some normal tyres. It's got some techno babble on the box here that nobody can read, and the controller in a separate box. It's got a gyro, so that should make it really easy to drift. Look, as we turn it, look, the wheel's automatically correct. Steering. And power. Oh. Nothing. Probably just needs charging up with the USB. Here's the instructions. Very useful. Yep, brilliant. Anyway, while that's charging up, let's have a look at some of these other toys. It says on here, die cast. It's not. It's definitely plastic. Do you know what? That actually looks like it's going to be some fun to play with. Especially the trailer and the digger. I've got a car trailer and I've also got a mini digger. And I'm not very good at them. So hopefully with this I can practice and then get better at the real thing. So here's the two controllers. Also comes with two batteries. So I suppose we better charge those and then have a look at some other stuff while that's happening. So plug that into there and that into an USB. The controllers both want AAs. Boom. Anyway, we've got to wait for this to charge. So let's have a look at the next one. I reckon we've got to have a look at this Scania here. Oh. It's looking a bit substantial. Well, not that substantial. Looks a bit toy gradey, actually, looking at it more carefully. Got a bit of weight behind it, though. No trailer, though. You kind of do need a trailer to make these sort of things fun, I think. You know it's toy grade when you need a screwdriver to get the battery out. And another one we've got to charge. USB. There is quite a size difference between all of them. Over here, I've got a little turbo racing. Did a video on this a few years ago, actually. But we could drag it out again for this video. Anything with a trailer is going to be good practice for me. So challenge, I've got to try and hook up the trailer and then reverse it into that gap. Line it up, hopefully something like that. And then we turn this knob. Ah, hold on, let's try again. Lift the trailer. Right, I think now we got it. Right, yes. Man, I've got full concentration here. Guys, this is harder than it looks, you know. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, sod it. We're in. Check this out here, look. Headlights. More headlights, more lights, more lights, and even interior lights. Anyway, I want to have a look and see what this digger's all about. The box is quite heavy. More stuff we got to charge. Hopefully it's already got a little bit of charge in it. Some of this is made out of metal, you know. I think the bucket's metal. This bit's plastic, that bit's plastic, that bit there's metal. Plastic tracks, but it comes with metal tracks as well. Anyway, on with that, on with that. I think these controls are exactly the same as the real one. Bloody racket. That's better. Now we can use it without the noise. Anyway, I want to eat some nuts, but before I'm allowed any, I've got to scoop them out with this and then put them into there. Oh, look at that! Can't can't be that easy, can it? Surely. Oh, yes. Oh, man. This is too easy. Oh, spoke too soon. Change. What's more important, food or the fear of the toy? Sorry, mate. You have your food. There, I will take it away. There you go. Have your grub. Next up, the rose roller. Oh, look, it's like a steamroller. It's got a thing here to push stuff. Huh? What? It's vibrating. Is that so you can compact dirt? The drift truck's still charging, so let's try this one. It's definitely toy grade. Steering's all or nothing. Power's all or nothing. But it is four-wheel drive, look. This one here's a lot more basic. You've got up and down with this. Oh, look, it just does it automatically. Let's get all the equipment onto the trailer, then we'll go out to the building site and do some proper work with it. Try to, anyway. Can we get all the equipment onto one trailer? This one here is too big to fit in there, so I reckon if we get that one on there first, and then that one, and then that one, something like that. Anyway, right, let's do it properly. No cheating, no hands of God. Oh, it doesn't have the grip. But I wonder if we can use the bucket to help push it up, just like on a real one. Oh, yes. Ah. Oh. Right, let's call for backup. Oh, no. What happened? Ah, it hasn't got the power to recover it. You know what, there's a bleeding easier way, isn't there? Right, let's go to the building site. Let's see if we can reverse this monstrosity without a whole lot falling on the floor. We need to safely get the load to the building site. Oh, it's struggling. I think we're going to need some bigger equipment. Heavy equipment going in. And we've got the button on here that latches it. One of them does anyway. Even the bigger one's getting stuck. We need to make it to the construction site over there. Go on, Scotty. Come on. I thought you were a good driver. Some construction worker you are. Ah. Well, we got as close to the construction site as possible anyway. Oh, I think this needs levelling.
Oh, yeah, it does.
We've got a button here, look for that. Oh, that's it.
Yeah, vibrating. No, we haven't levelled it yet, though.
Oh, look at that. Look, it's working.
Oh, yes.
We can also bring that blade up and down.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Dope.
Oh, no, we're stuck. Oh, no. No, the blade's too low.
Oh, I don't know what I'm doing now, Scott. You're the expert.
Oh, God.
Go and try and level that off. You made all this nice and level in real life. Let's see if we can do it with a toy.
We'll have this road done in a second, sir.
We need to be able to get this truck out afterwards. Anyway, while Scotty's preparing the new road, let's get some digging done over there. We need to move some of this dirt. He's just filling up his cabinet.
I was going to say, you're scooping it on yourself.
That's all it does. You have a go, Scotty, see if you can do better. There's literally, they're the only 2 buttons you've got for the shovel.
Out there.
He's getting a face full in there. I got this merch made. It's supposed to say construction, but for some reason, it's come out saying destruction. You're supposed to move the dirt somewhere. Hey, there you go. Anyway, we have some better equipment. Can we unload it without a big crash? Yes. This is proper equipment, this one. I've got to move all this dirt in real life, but I'm useless on that digger over there. So if I learn how to do it with a toy, hopefully I can then do it with a proper one.
Oh, look at that.
You have a go, Scotty.
Ah!
You're worse than me.
No, got some.
Oh, yeah.
Getting the eye in now.
So we've got to finish off the road and then we can get all the equipment away.
We're not cheating on it.
We are trying to be realistic. Oh. So as you can see, I'm an expert on the toys, so can I do it with a real one? So here's a jump that we're building. So I want to try and get a little bit of dirt from the bottom and then sort of fill that bit in at the top up there. So let's see if my new RC skills are going to transition over to like a mini digger.
Real life.
That's a good start. Expert at work!
Oh, God.
Want to get some dirt from here? Up here.
Jesus!
Am I getting any better, Scotty?
I'll give you about 5 out of 10.
5?
Yeah, 5.
Alright. So what would make me a 10?
If you were a 10, you would have had about 6 buckets on the top by now.
More power!
My God.
What's the score now?
Well, it's gone down to 3.
Oh, alright, well, a bit more practice, and maybe in the next video, I can do it, maybe.
Maybe.
Drift truck is all charged up. Ah, there we go. It is 4-wheel drive though, so some of you guys may not believe it's a proper drift truck. Steering trim. That one there is how far it steers. And then that one, I don't know, gyro? Yeah, so look, super sensitive. And then we turn that all the way down. And now there's no sensitivity. Yes, so now it just spins around in circles, but then we put that sensitivity up. It's going to be easier to drift it. Right, we need a bit more space. Let's try it on the wooden floor. Oh, look at that. That is drifting with ease. Oh, need a bit more practice. Oh, look. I've got a little drifting track down here. Scotty 3D printed a load of these little bits here, so you clip them all together and you can build any track you like. So I'm going to put a link down below in the description box. Any of you guys got a 3D printer, you can make some of these as well. You know we gotta try it with a trailer. No idea if it's gonna drift or not, but I guess we're about to find out. So these tyres are too grippy for the trailer to drift, but I wonder if we put some tape around them. It's a shame that in the box it does come with these other tyres, but they're just other grippy tyres. Look, they're just rubber tyres again. If they would have included some other drift tyres, we could have turned this into a drift trailer. I have an idea. What do you reckon? Do you reckon that's going to work? Let's do the rest of them. Boom! It's not working. I've got another idea. How about we get these rubber tyres and put those on the truck, and then we keep the slidey trailer tyres on the trailer, and then hopefully the truck's going to grip and the trailer's going to slide around. Hopefully. Off of there. On with the rubbers. All right, now let's see what happens. Whoa, that's... What? Man, why is it so fast? A little bit, but it's very fast, so very difficult to do it. Kind of. Anyway, I'm going to put a link down below in the description box where you can get all of these toys from. Don't forget, guys, this is your last chance to win this Lossy 5T 3.0. It ends in just a few hours. So today, this truck could be yours. Link down below in the description box. Do you want to win one of my RC cars? Click here. Click here to subscribe and become part of the crew. It's free. Or click here to see one of my other videos.